Hi, I'm Meiju, and today we will take a closer look at the Rebuild Balance service from Koleston Perfect.
One of my go-tos as a quick way to refresh mid-length and ends while colouring the regrowth.
So this is my gorgeous first model, Soraya. She's just been on holiday and her hair colour's really faded a lot. And here we have Avalon. She's a really pretty blonde, but her ends are quite sensitised due to a lot of old highlights. So today I'm going to colour her roots and I'm going to refresh her mid-length and ends with the Pure Rebuild Balance service from Koleston Perfect.
The amazing thing is, it will not only refresh, as it contains Wellaplex, it will give her stronger hair. So first, I have to apply my root colour. I'll leave it to develop for 10 to 20 minutes before I apply the mid-length and end. Now, let me show you how to mix up the formula for my ends. My top tip to minimize skin staining is to emulsify the root colour with a little bit of warm water. It's the perfect service for damaged or highly faded hair that needs a bit of tender, loving care. Final result speaks for itself. It's shiny and vibrant. This is what we both want, a colour that lasts with irresistible hair quality that we both can feel.